Most cleaning business owners know they need automation, but they don't start because they assume it's going to take hours to learn, days to set up, and weeks to figure out. And honestly, that's true with most tools, but not with this. Go High Level is a powerful platform built to automate the way small businesses handle leads, quotes, bookings, follow-ups, and client reviews. At WebIE, we took that power and built a done-for-you system on top of it, specifically for cleaning businesses. And here's the key. You don't need to build anything. We already did. You log in, follow a short walkthrough, and in less than 30 minutes, you've got a working CRM booking automations, follow-up sequences, review requests, and a pipeline that shows you where every client stands. No coding. No figuring it out as you go. Just a system that's already working, waiting for you to turn it on. If you want to automate your cleaning business without spending weeks building it yourself, click the link in the description and access the WebIE system built on Go High Level.